Hey guys, and welcome to Himachal. Can't wait to travel. I just hope everything turns out smooth and fine. कुछ अच्छा हो रहा था ना, and then I'm like, कुछ बुरा ना हो, please. Like I don't. I think this is life for me. Okay guys, so it's 10:43 and गाड़ी आ रही है 11 बजे and I have finally sorted out the paperwork and it's done. See, मतलब my intuition were so strong कि मेरे को लग ही रहा था कि आज सब कुछ हो जाएगा. So I'm so glad with that. Oh my god, इतनी गर्मी है यहाँ पे. I'm sweating like anything and I have just done the final packing as well. Like everything is packed from food to their boxes and their everything is packed and he's just looking to see कि मेरे फूड का वो डिस्पेंसर कहाँ गया, मेरा वाटर का डिस्पेंसर कहाँ गया. And I think they know, like one of my cat, he knows that we are gonna travel. He does not know. So yeah, it is finally happening. I also like spoke to the locals there and they were so happy. मतलब उनसे बात करके I was so happy and मतलब कॉल करते I was like आपको याद है मैं कौन हूँ, आपने पहचाना. And they recognized me after such a long time. वो आज भी मतलब मुझे याद कर रहे हैं, आज भी दे रिमेंबर हु आई वॉज एंड क्या बात हुई थी हमारी. एंड दे आर सो एक्साइटेड ऑल्सो. सो आई कांट वेट टू ट्रैवल. आई जस्ट होप एवरीथिंग टर्न्स आउट स्मूथ एंड फाइन. इट इज़ सो हॉट. माई गॉड, आई एम स्वेटिंग लाइक एनीथिंग. मतलब नहाने का कोई फ़ायदा ही नहीं हुआ. I washed my face like so many times, but it's so hot here. ACB is like not working and it's night time. मतलब रात को तो at least थोड़ी सी ठंड होनी चाहिए, but it's not. It is very hot in Delhi and I cannot survive here. I have lived in Himachal for bloody 8-9 years and Delhi to me is like death, on spot death. So everything is sorted and I'm going with my baby.
Oh my god! Wow!
I'm so excited. तो आई जस्ट होप ये जर्नी पूरी सेफ एंड सिक्योर रहे. मतलब भोलेनाथ की कृपा से everything turns out fine and even when I reach there everything turns out fine because too much excitement is also not good. So I have a lot of work to do there, a lot of work. मतलब आई नो अगेन मतलब मैं बहुत बिजी रहूँगी वहाँ पे मैनेजिंग एंड कोऑर्डिनेटिंग विद एवरीथिंग, पेपर वर्क एंड सो मच वर्क टू डू. तो द थिंग इज़ if everything turns out fine, it is going to be really huge success, huge things to come. I don't know, like I feel the timing is so right. This is the time that I feel I should go. I should go now and I should do it. Matlab, what is stopping me? There's nothing stopping me. So I think always listen to your intuition. Always listen to your अंदर की आवाज़ कि what is right for you, what is not. And the driver is calling now. So I will update you once I start the travel series here and woohoo! Hey guys, and welcome to Himachal. I am finally in the mountains मेरी आवाज़ चली गई यहाँ पहुँचते. I am so happy, but I was so tired. Like I reached today in the morning around 9 a.m. and हमने literally गाड़ी कहीं नहीं रोकी. हम दिल्ली से निकले अराउंड 11 एंड सीधा मतलब ही जस्ट टुक इट straight to the mountains and we reached around 9 a.m. But I hadn't slept even like 1 minute. I couldn't sleep. मतलब इनमें से एक सो रहा था तो दूसरा जग रहा था, फिर दूसरा सो रहा था तो ये जग रहा था. So it was really difficult, but smooth journey. It was quicker than before. Because we didn't stop anywhere. Like I didn't even stop to pee. So I was like, just leave it. जब पहुँचेंगे तब देखेंगे. So I am in my room. I know light नहीं जल रही because it's kind of evening time. तो like it's kind of थोड़ा बहुत it's light and sunset हो रहा होगा. And I was welcomed so nicely. I mean so nicely. I mean मैंने सब कुछ बताया उन्हें, like what had happened and क्यों मैं नहीं आ पा रही थी and कब से मेरा प्लान बन रहा था and all that stuff. And he's loving the view. He's kind of opening up now. ये लोग बेचारे इसके अंदर बहुत टाइम से घुस के मतलब बैठे हुए थे. But as soon as I'm there with them, they start opening up and start feeling safe. तो धीरे धीरे करके like tomorrow I will take them out for a walk and saying that they are loving the weather. Even though पंखा चल रहा है but it's still like cold. It's still chilly. Better than Delhi of course. So far it's been beautiful. I just hope like whatever मेरे दिमाग में worst case scenarios चल रहे हैं as usual. Like I'm always thinking like कुछ अच्छा हो रहा था ना and then I'm like कुछ बुरा ना हो please. Like I don't want anything bad to happen, anything that I want to jinx. Everything so far is going good. And सुबह मैं पूरा मतलब प्रॉपर्टी देखने गई and पूरा जगह देखा and it's beautiful. Like it's wow. So I can't wait to share everything, where I am, what I'm doing, what is happening. I can't wait. Today I'm a little bit tired, so I'm gonna end it here and show you the next of the journey in the next vlog. So from tomorrow morning I will start with a bang and I can't wait for this to start, man. Nahi ho raha wait. I just wanted to start so badly. मेरी आवाज़ थोड़ी जा रही है. I don't know why. Weather changes और my lungs are clearing up finally. दिल्ली का सारा pollution निकल रहा है I think. So first day होता है and I had a really bad headache. मतलब I didn't eat or मतलब do anything on the whole journey. Couldn't sleep. तो मेरा बहुत गंदा headache था. I just took a bath and slept off in the day. Then बाहर बारिश हो रही थी आज, तो again मैं कहीं बाहर भी नहीं गई. Just sorting out here and there यहीं पे. And then I will share the rest of my journey in the next vlog. So take care guys and stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, if you want to see what's happening with me. I mean, why would you? But if you do, I mean, please share and subscribe and like and comment what you think. Am I doing something stupidly crazy things? But I think this is life for me. Doing crazy stupid shit and living life and achieving my dreams. So Take care. Bye bye.